Hi guys, it's Zach with Proline Range Hoods here today, and I have an exciting topic that I want to talk to you about, our 72-inch family of Proline barbecue range hoods. In today's video, we're going to highlight and focus on our 72-inch Ultra line of range hoods, firstly with our wall. We take barbecuing very serious, and that's why Proline created the very first and only 72-inch model range hood available on the market and designed specifically for outdoor use. That way, when you guys are barbecuing or grilling outside, you might have multiple appliances underneath your range hood, and this thing and its massive 3-foot capture area is going to do a great job at capturing those smoke and odors, removing them from your cooking space. On our 72-inch wall model, we do have 2 separate rows of 5 of our stainless steel baffle filters, so 10 in total. That's how big this range hood is. And one of the cool things about our stainless steel baffle filters, other than how easy they are to take out and put back in, is they're actually dishwasher safe. So they do a great job not only at removing those smoke and odors and making sure that air gets out clean great, but you guys can wash these with ease anytime you guys need to. We've gone ahead and taken down our wall model of our barbecue series and replaced it with our under cabinet version of our Ultra. Now, these range hoods share all of the same features, they're just meant for different applications. So this one specifically being for under cabinets. Now, we talked about our baffle filters with our wall range hood. For our under cabinet, we're gonna take a look at our control panel. One of the cool features here is our knobs and switches that will allow you guys to control everything on your range hood. So to power it on and off, we'll just flick this switch here on the end. And then we have these 3 separate knobs that will control our lights and the blowers inside of our range hood. So if we just push these in, they'll pop out. And one cool thing about our lights is they're actually dimmable. So you guys can control how much lighting you want to use at any moment in time. And these are actually gimbal rotated, so you guys can completely control where your light needs to be in your cooking area. The same thing is going to work for both of these that control our blowers, one on each side, because there will be 2 1000 CFM blowers inside of your 72-inch range hood. But if we push these in and then we twist them, we can control the 4-speed option of our blower inside, whether you guys want to use the lowest and most quiet setting or all the way up to the highest and most powerful. You guys might also be thinking, these range hoods are massive, so how do we install these so easily? And it's thanks to our easy mount bracket. And we still offer these on our 72-inch models. These are just going to go straight into the back of your range hood and then right up against your wall. And all these separate holes allow you to find the best spot to install your range hood. As you guys can see, we also have the same range hood in an island configuration, and I can promise you, you're not going to find a 72-inch outdoor barbecue range hood anywhere else on the market. As you can see, this thing is massive, and it still offers the same great features that we've talked about on our wall and under cabinet models. One thing we haven't talked about yet is how much power is inside of these 72-inch range hoods, because with this much capture area, you guys are going to get a lot of CFM to remove those smoke and odors. So what we're going to go ahead and do is remove each and every one of our stainless steel baffle filters here, and then we'll talk about the blowers that come inside these models and the CFM that you'll get with them. Now that we've taken out our stainless steel baffle filters, we can focus inside our range hood at each of our 1000 CFM blowers that this range hood comes with. Now, on all of our 72-inch models, we do have 2000 CFM because this is a dual blower, and that's some of the most power that you guys will be able to find on the market, and it's going to be able to handle any type of cooking style and any type of cooking you guys do on a day-to-day basis. Because this is an island and it is a dual blower, we actually have 2 separate vents that are going to go up into our chimney, one for each blower. But on our wall and under cabinet models that we talked about earlier, we actually have a splitter that goes in between our blowers, making it most efficient at removing that air from the range hood and your cooking space. So there you guys have it. That's all the different models that we offer on our Barbecue Ultra series in 72 inches. If you guys are shopping for range hoods that big, this is going to be the perfect option for you in your outdoor setup. Check out our full catalog at ProlineRangeHoods.com. And if you need any help selecting the perfect range hood for you, just like this one, just contact our customer support team. We're always there to help and answer any of your questions.